Hello everyone, welcome to Beto Vlogs. In today's video I will unbox, assemble, and give a first impressions of the ePhoto's 10 feet by 12 feet green screen. Honestly, I'm not expecting a whole lot as this was only $70. That is including the green screen, stands, and the carrying case. So it's a little on the low budget side of things, but you never know. I might be pleasantly surprised. Okay, let's get to it. So this is the box it's going to be shipped in, or something similar at least. So I kind of already opened this side. I'm just going to get all the tape off here. Alright, included there should be the green screen, stands, and a carrying case. So here's the green screen. Here's the carrying case with the stands in it. These are it. This is the base. You adjust the height with this one, and then you can adjust more height with these. So there's two of these, and then there's the pole that goes across. Alright, so I'm going to assemble this and put it together so y'all can take a look at it. Alright, so I'm going to put these together real quick. Alright guys, so as far as my first impressions of the ePhoto 10x12 green screen, it's geared towards obviously the beginner. If you're trying to use this for a tool for work or trying to do like a professional shoot, there's probably better options out there for you. This, like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a very low budget option. I paid $70 for it, so I really wasn't expecting too much. So as far as the material of the green screen, it's very thin. So if there's any light source behind the green screen, it's going to show, and it's going to give you some problems in the post. editing. And since it is made out of real thin material, it kind of wrinkles easily, so you're going to have a lot of folds and creases, especially if you store it, fold it when you store it. So that could also potentially give you some problems if you don't have the right lighting to kind of smooth out some of those shadows that the wrinkles will cause. And then the stands are made out of very cheap material as well, so they're very flimsy, and they're probably not going to last too long, in my opinion. But we'll see. So yeah, that's kind of my first impressions, kind of what I was expecting. Once again, something geared towards a beginner, someone that doesn't have a lot of experience with green screens. So if you're trying to use this for work, or like I said, professional shoots, definitely don't want to go with this route. And but as you can see, it works. It does the job. There's just some obstacles you have to overcome to make it work. And that's it for today, guys. Just want to do the unboxing, assembly, and kind of first impressions. I'm going to do a more in-depth review once I get more use out of it. But thanks for sticking around. Please like, share, and subscribe. And take it easy. Have a good one. Peace.